Hello po. Survivor Bell from UAE.
Yes, I'm sexy from KC.
Try po natin kapain.
Try ko siya. From the start till the end. Para magkuha ko yung tune.
Blooming ka ngayon. Ito na.
Feeling wasted, I wanted at this old piano. Trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know. Was a bottle of vodka still lug in my head, and some blondie gave me nightmares. I think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they won't make of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and friends kiss in the morning. While some marching band keeps out of beat in my head, well, it's okay. About all of the things that I love to believe about love, the truth, what you mean to me, and the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I want to lay you down in the bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. All I wanna be, just as close as the Holy Ghost, and lay you down on the bed of roses. Siya Bicolana ako. Well, I'm so far away, it's step that I take on my way home. I
Kings ransom dime,
I give
each night to see through this payphone.
I still run out of time, or realize hard to get through till the bed on the wall helps me back to you. Well, I'll just close my eyes and whisper, baby, blind love is free. Bicol talaga.
I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I'll sleep on a bed of nails.
I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost, and lay you down on a bed of roses.
Well, now the world always gives God what keeping sweet truth, and she's giving me the eyes.
Ay pala, I might have been here, but I laugh so hard I think I die. Woo! Balik na. Isa na ha, Bicolana ako ay. Isang napipilit ang dila. Yan na, sinubukan ko na, may video pa. Now as you close your eyes, I will be thinking about you.
While my mistress she calls me to stand in her spotlight again.
Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that I don't mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, for it's you that I die to defend.
I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses.
Malakpak.
For tonight, I'll sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down.
I want to lay you down in the bed of roses. For tonight, I'll sleep on a bed of nails. I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down on a bed of roses. Di pa ako makasigaw niyan.
Galing.